Okay, session number 7, fun times. There we go. Two-way launch and great start. Nice. This is a super interesting block, and it's going to be, I think, something that we're going to be working on is getting some targets here. Like, I really like this, straight after the block, seeing this side body. So that means, Barbara, be a little patient, feel like Sandra is coming into the side body, and then we get it's easier to stay closer together. And can you see that? We've got this reverse side body picture here, we've got this picture here, and then it means that Sandra is now a little ahead and she gets a chance to target that grip. So that's the way I think we should do this. Maybe that's something you guys spoke about already, but if you don't do it, we end up with the collision factor happening. So now we're kind of turning a little more together, and then we get a cat picture here. And we don't want that because it's just forcing you guys away from each other, high chance of collision. But don't be too focused on that grip, Sandra. I know, yeah, like that is way better. I think when you hold off the grip and just allow the grip to kind of drop into your hand with the two pieces cogging together like the wheels of a machine. There you go. Nice launch and moving to the first point. But I think if you do focus too much on that grip, you can end up tweaking your body position, and then it doesn't set you up too well for the subsequent point, like there. There's a good example there. So as we come round, if Sandra's too early on that, look at the compromise in body positions that we have to go through. I mean, there's both of you there. Not only do we struggle to make that grip there, it's judgeable, but look at those two body positions, and it comes at a cost. All right. If things aren't going too well, let's kind of train a little bit the competition mindset, and yeah, maybe not start shaking their heads quite so soon. Do it like you can be a little more subtle with the communication with each other. So there, Barbara, if you're not happy with what's going on, just kind of a bit of a raised eyebrow, and yeah, just kind of hold off the grips a little bit longer. Let's try and work on our plan with how we're going to fix this if it happens in a competition. So that one wasn't too bad there, where we got an early grip, but there was less distortion of the body position. See here now, you two are able to keep your spine straight. That's a super fun block, and we know it's just an in-place term, but I think just allowing for that little bit of cogging, and then Sandra at the end of the move. So let's just go back to it. So right now we would let Sandra, you would come into a side body here, and then rather than having the cat pictures that forces you guys away from each other, let me try and find one of the better ones again. Still a little bit ahead there. Now you can see the collision factor is high there. What was it, one of the previous ones? There we go. So we want to see this picture. Reverse side body there. Oh, we started to speed up a little bit there, Barbara, as you come around the corner. Yeah, and so we want to avoid those cat pictures. We want to see side bodies, and that'll keep you to. Yeah, I think side bodies is the way to go on that one. Hope you understand what I'm saying.